Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to buy iShares in the US. iShares are a type of exchange-traded fund, or ETF, that allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. To get started, you will need to open a brokerage account with a reputable online broker. This can be done by visiting the website of a broker such as Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Vanguard, and following the online application process. Once your account is open, you will need to fund it with money to invest. You can do this by transferring funds from your bank account or by mailing a check. Next, you will need to choose the iShares you want to buy. iShares offers a wide range of ETFs that track different market indexes, such as the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average. You can visit the iShares website to research and compare the different ETFs they offer. To place an order to buy iShares, log into your brokerage account and navigate to the trading platform. Enter the ticker symbol of the iShares you want to buy. Select the number of shares you want to purchase, and choose the type of order you want to place. You can choose from a market order, which will execute immediately at the current market price, or a limit order, which will execute at a specific price you set. It is also important to consider the costs associated with buying iShares. You will typically pay a commission to your broker for each trade, as well as a management fee to iShares for the ETF itself. These fees can eat into your investment returns, so it is a good idea to compare the fees charged by different brokers and ETFs before making a decision. Finally, it is a good idea to have a long-term investment strategy and to regularly review and adjust your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals. This may involve rebalancing your portfolio, which involves selling some investments and buying others to maintain an optimal asset allocation. By following these steps and doing your research, you can successfully buy iShares in the US and start building a diversified investment portfolio.